Hello everyone. I'm starting with a quick test of this angle grinder on a metal bar. The angle grinder suddenly stopped. I was turning on the machine to restart the angle grinder, but after only a few seconds it stopped again. To address this, I'm going to perform some essential maintenance. The first step is to access the carbon brushes, which are vital for the motor's operation. I'll start by unplugging the grinder for safety. I'm going to locate the carbon brush covers on the side of the grinder. I'll use a screwdriver to carefully unscrew and remove them. These covers hold the carbon brushes in place. Once the covers are off, I can gently remove the old carbon brushes. These small black cylinders are crucial components. They conduct electricity to the motor's spinning armature. Over time, they wear down, leading to reduced performance and sparks from poor contact. As you can see, these old ones are quite worn and dusty, which confirms my suspicion about the grinder's performance. Instead of buying new carbon brushes, which can be expensive or hard to find, I'm going to create my own using discarded batteries. I'll take this large D-cell battery and use pliers to carefully peel back its outer metal casing. It's important to be gentle here to avoid damaging the internal components. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. After removing the outer casing, I'll use a utility knife to further strip away any remaining plastic or metal layers, exposing the inner carbon rod. This carbon rod is exactly what we need, as it possesses excellent electrical conductivity. Next, I'll insert one end of the carbon rod into my drill chuck and tighten it securely. This allows me to easily rotate the rod for shaping. Using a piece of sandpaper placed on a block of wood, I carefully press the rotating carbon rod into it to create a small, precise round each end. This grinding of the carbon rod ensures a snug fit and good contact inside the grinder. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Then, I'll further refine the shape by sanding the sides against the wooden block, creating a flatter profile. This specific shape is essential so that the carbon rod, after grinding, will easily slide smoothly inside the angle grinder. Now that the carbon rod has the desired shape, I'll use a ruler and a marker to precisely mark the length I need. Accuracy is key here to ensure they fit perfectly. With the measurement marked, I'll use a pair of cutting pliers to carefully snip the carbon rod into the two smaller pieces that will become our new brushes. With our carbon pieces cut, I'll use a small drill bit with my hand drill to carefully bore a small hole into one end of each carbon piece. This hole will be where the electrical contact and spring are inserted. It's vital to drill straight to ensure proper alignment. After drilling the holes, I will insert a small metal spring and a piece of copper wire inside. Next, I will attach this assembly to one of the carbon pieces, securing it with a small amount of super glue to ensure a firm and permanent connection. I'll repeat this process for the second carbon piece, creating two complete and functional replacement brushes. Now it's time to install our newly crafted carbon brushes back into the angle grinder. I'll carefully place each assembled brush into its respective slot, ensuring the spring compresses correctly. Then I'll screw the carbon brush covers back into place, making sure they are snug but not over-tightened. Let's plug in the grinder and see the results. Listen to that powerful hum. Now, I'll take it back to the metal bar to test its cutting ability. Look at those sparks. The cuts are cleaner and faster, a clear sign that our homemade carbon brushes are doing their job perfectly. This project proves that you don't always need new parts to fix your tools. Sometimes, a creative DIY solution is all it takes. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me fix or create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.